So today I wanted to do my Alltrue unboxing. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I finally got the fall one, which is funny considering that it is winter for pretty much all the other boxes, but this is the one for Alltrue. This is what the packaging looks like this time. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. I really don't remember what I got, so they give you the little magazine and everything. It tells about some of the products and stuff. And then, let me see, it's just a board. Next up in here, I got this. Okay, so this is a water bottle. Liberty Fabrics and Swell. Swell bottles are crafted and composed of high-grade 18x8 stainless steel and are BPA free and reusable. ThermoSwell technology keeps beverages cold for 24 hours and hot for 12. Okay, cool. Let me see. This season, Liberty London has given rare access to the Liberty Fabrics archive of original artwork. The brand's iconic floral prints make these swell bottles the very definition of a collector's item, as each pattern is applied by hand and printed, and the print placement may vary. Cool. So this is a water bottle. I don't know if it's, I assume it's dishwasher safe, but it's pretty cool. Oh, it's got like a little insert in here. Does that say? Okay, so you have to wash it by hand. It is not dishwasher safe, but this is cool. It's like a nice bottle, so that's cute. And let me see. Next up in here, I have Plants with a Purpose. These are first aid lip balms, I think. Or not lip balms, but poured vegan travel salves. Potent, portable, vegan green goo heroes. There's pain relief, first aid, skin repair, and dry skin. Wash your hands well, then apply it all over to affected area. So I guess each of these is for different things, and you just apply it to your skin, and they're small things that you can take with you. So that's kind of cool. And they're all vegan, which is nice. So that is that. Next up in here, I have, I think that's Lucy, maybe? A dermal definer. It's a deep cleansing, boost collagen contour definer. The ultimate dual cleanser brush and roller for healthier looking skin. Ideal for aging skin, large pores. It says apply on face, neck, and deep docilate. So let's open this up and see. I don't really want to mess up the packaging, but let's see in here. I don't know if you guys can tell, I wasn't as excited for this box, but okay. So this is a lot smaller than I expected. I thought it would be a lot bigger, but let's see. So I guess from what I can tell, you kind of use it, I don't want to get makeup on it, but you kind of use it to like massage your face, like kind of like you would use like the rose gold things. I forget what they're called, but you guys know what I mean. And it has like, how many different settings was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 different settings of vibration, so that's kind of cool. So I will be testing that out and I will review it for you guys. Lucy Dermal Definer is a mini facial toner and cleansing brush. 2 actions in one, which leaves your skin with cleaner, healthier, and younger looking skin in just a few minutes a day. Designed to make your skin appear clearer, less puffy, and more contoured. So yeah, it does kind of work like that. Okay, and you charge it by USB. Which, do they give you a USB? They do. So it comes with its own USB, and yeah. So that is that. Next up in here, this is kind of cool, so I decided to try this one. It is the Alley Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. So it says, it's vegan, latex-free, and cruelty-free. And it says, meet the secret weapon that lightens your toolkit. 1 tool, 4 essential face brushes. So it has a powder and contour brush, a blending sponge, medium shadow brush, and an angled brow liner brush. Let's pop this open and see. Okay. So, yeah, interesting. Okay, gotcha. Cool, okay. So, I guess it's really soft, first of all, but here is your little blender sponge, and then it's got this bit for the contour and powder. And then you unscrew this, and then you have your eyeshadow brush. And you unscrew the other side, and you have your liner brow brush. So that is actually a pretty cool tool. That cuts down on quite a few things, so you could get most of your makeup done with this probably. So I actually am kind of into that. I'm going to test it out, and we'll let you guys know if I like it. So that is that there. Next up, this is kind of open on the bottom, but let's see. This is, I don't know the brand. I don't know if that says Soon or something, but it's a peony foot mask. So it has peony root extract, green tea extract, and apple extract. Okay. So, peony foot mask. Give dry skin the boot. Slip into these luxurious sock masks that contain plant extracts for healthier, happier feet. Alleviate foot fatigue while treating your tootsies with a formula that nourishes and comforts. So wash and dry your feet, remove the mask from the pouch, and cut down the center of the dotted line. Put feet in the mask, then tighten with the sticker lined link strap. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and massage the remaining essence. Okay. So that sounds kind of cool. I am interested in trying these. It looks like there are 5 in here. So these should be interesting to test. I will be reviewing some of these things on the blog. And let me see. Last but not least in here is from Hubley Hubly. It says Love Observe Design. They are beehive ice trays. So I am kind of interested in these. I've seen things like this before. So it comes with 2 of them. I can get it out. Okay, so it comes with a blue and pink and a blue and yellow. And they're literally like beehive shaped ice trays. So let me see. I don't understand how these don't leak. So rinse them with water, fill to waterline, and cover with lid before freezing. Where's the waterline? I don't understand what the waterline is. Alright, I'm going to have to figure out what the waterline is, but so basically it just says to fill these. Don't use them in the oven or microwave. I'm not sure why you would. And to store away from sharp objects to avoid damage. So yeah, these are pretty basic item. Like I said, just little ice trays. We'll see how well they work. Obviously, I guess the cover is just so nothing gets in them. I'm still not quite sure where the waterline is, but I guess I'll figure that out when I use them and see if they leak. But that is the last thing in here. So that was the Alltrue Fall Box. I think I have decided to keep it for another year. They had a statement, which I wanted to show you guys. Let me go ahead and find the screenshots that I saved for that. I don't remember where they were. I think they're on my phone. One moment. So they had made a statement on their Instagram where they were like replying to people. And I'm just going to read it to you guys so you guys can see what they said. So the person was asking if they were going to like pay back the companies and stuff, which I'm definitely curious about too. I feel like they should. So basically they said, Alltrue filed for bankruptcy alternative this past April. An extremely unfortunate and devastating result for any company and its customers. When this occurred, Alltrue's debts were accumulated by a third party legally responsible for reimbursing creditors including unpaid vendors and customers. At the same time, the entire Alltrue team and its founders were let go and separated from the company overnight, effectively shutting down the business and leaving communication channels unmanaged for several months. An experience that was understandably worrisome to the community and devastating for Alltrue's vendor partners. While companies in this position will often be liquidated, Alltrue was fortunately purchased in whole by us, the new ownership. The funds of that sale were collected by a third party to be distributed to creditors. While that legal process occurs, we are working to pick Alltrue back up and continue its mission under new leadership. We really admire what Alltrue was able to accomplish over the past 8 years and want to give that a second chance, reviving it as a trustworthy source of discovery for its members and supportive partner to like-minded brands. We're still in the process of rebuilding a team and getting to know the business, so bear with us as things move a little slower than members might be used to. And please let us know if there's anything you'd like to see from us as we rebuild. In the meantime, if you're an Alltrue member who did not receive a spring box or email, and then it just goes into talking about that stuff. But basically, from what they're saying, they do plan to pay companies back, so I'm hoping that that is going to be the case. So I did decide to stick with them for another year and see how the products are and see what vendors say as far as whether or not they have been repaid. So I will update you guys as I find out things. Mostly, I mean, you guys can find out too on their Instagram. That's mostly where I get updates. But yeah, I will keep doing these. And I just wanted to let you guys know what they've said and why I decided to give them another chance. So yeah, that is my box for the fall for Alltrue. And I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!